Okay, folks, Larry Pesavento for TFNN. I'm sorry about yesterday, but they're doing all kinds of electrical work out here and knocked out the internet and data and everything just about 5 minutes before the show started. I've had more questions about the Bradley model than anything I've had recently. Basically, this is how I got interested in the A word, folks. Going back to 86, I was very skeptical, being a Catholic, having false gods before you. Astrology was supposed to be that because the Vatican said that it was. You weren't even supposed to read the Bible at the Catholic Church. Anyway, the Bradley dates are key dates, they're calendar dates where these cycles come together. That's what it means. They just line up together. The only way that I was able to continue doing this is because Ruth Miller and Jim Twentyman proved to me that these dates are very important. We have over 2,000 samples at the last count, and that was 9 years ago, going back to 1886 of key spots in the stock market, folks. It's better than 85% accurate, and we're there today. So that means that there's going to be a big cycle change in the stock market today. It affects other things too, but mainly the stock market, okay? And that's all I can tell you. And you can see whether it doesn't make any difference whether it's an up or down. You can see over here, this was the high in the market on the 27th. Remember? And there was the high right here. You remember this day right here, folks? This was given to us 3 months in advance by our friend over in the UK. 27th of November. There was the Bradley date right there. And then, of course, we sold off, down a bit. And, of course, the markets went back and made a double high. I don't know if it's going to mean much on a longer time frame, but this is a really important date that we're looking at here right now. The Russell has been the weakest. I wanted this to show you. This has got gold up here right now. We're short a little gold here. I'll show you that in a minute. But the Russell is the one that is, to me, the most interesting because as you can see here, we're rallying today after the big break. Now, let's just look at this. Remember, on the 4-hour chart, we were watching this right here. There was the ABCD right there. Okay, there was your 61% retracement right there. We broke $2,000 so far. On the way back up so far today, you can see we haven't even made a 382 as of yet. That comes in at 2150. And you'll see that right there. So let's take a break and we'll be right back.